So the meeting of the Shillong City Congress Committee is just concluded, where the meeting has been called urgently. It is because of the prevailing situation, especially in the Shillong City. As you all know, after the Congress party has suspended three MLA from Shillong City, that is the East Shillong, the West Shillong. So it is the duty of our Shillong City District Congress Committee to convene a meeting to discuss the prevailing situation within the party. And in our discussion today, we had unanimously resolved that for the time being, as we have no full-fledged president in the Shillong City after suspension of Process Tisogni, who is the Shillong City president, the committee unanimously resolved that myself, as the working president of the Mpcc, will be the chairman of the Shillong City District Congress Committee till we complete the organization in all the block within the Shillong City, so that we will get a new president. Number two, as there are few blocks which are not so organized, so we feel that it is the duty of the Shillong City District Congress Committee to reach out every block within the Shillong City. We had put the time frame that ending before the second week of the month of March, we will reach each and every block in the Shillong City, so that unanimously we will discuss how to strengthen, to revamp the party at the block level. That are the few decisions that are discussed today. So if you have anything, you can ask.
Have you received?
MLAs, MDC are not the party. I think you understand. MLA and MDC, they are not the party. It does not mean that when MLAs and MDC run away, the party also supporter run away. No, that is very wrong. I would like to remind you that in each and every general election in the Legislative Assembly, not less than 30% of the present MLA, they lost in the election. They are defeated. So it does not mean that because the MLA join with any other party, they are sure to win in the election. No, wrong. Go by the records in the Meghalaya Assembly, not less than 30 or than 50%. They lost during the general election. So the point is, it depends on their quality, the potentiality, the competency of the candidates. So a big organization like our party, where we have the supporter at the grassroots level, we have no problem to get a very good qualified competence aspirant. But the only thing which is very challenging for us is we should strengthen the party at the grassroots. I mean at the primary unit level, at the polling booth level, at the block level. That is very important challenging for us.
But why is it people leaving? Is it because of money, power, position?
I cannot say anything because they have their own free will how to decide. So I cannot say anything right now. But the only thing is, it seems that they thought that Congress party will not come to power in next 2023. But who knows? Because in dynamic politics, anything can happen. Because as of now, the only party to win in a good number in the next election, I think you will agree with me, NPP, Congress and UDP. I think the TMC still take time people to support TMC. So I think we have no problem to, it depends on the number of the result.
Okay, another topic.